Welcome to this architectural journey. Today, we're exploring two stunning coastal villas that combine modern design with nature's beauty. Let's dive in. Villa 1. This stunning three-story villa is a true masterpiece of modern architecture. Perched on a hillside with breathtaking ocean views, it features flowing wave-like curves, blending wide sculptural forms with warm wooden accents. Large glass windows and sliding doors invite natural light while offering uninterrupted views. Each level includes its own outdoor terrace, enclosed with sleek glass railings and decorative plants. The top floor boasts a cantilevered roof that adds depth and elegance to the silhouette. Villa 2. Next, we have a luxurious three-story mansion nestled on a verdant hillside with a panoramic ocean view. Its modern design includes expansive glass windows, multiple balconies, and a dark tiled roof that contrasts beautifully with the surroundings. The landscape is meticulously designed with winding stone paths, manicured greenery, and a central water feature. A statue near the entrance enhances the opulence, and the curved road blends naturally with the terrain. Villa 3. Finally, a stunning Mediterranean style villa perched above the sea. With its cream colored exterior, curved balconies, and expensive windows, this villa offers a sense of openness and sophistication. High quality materials ensure durability against coastal weather. The landscape features winding stone paths, manicured lawns, and a decorative pond. The backdrop of lush hills and a calm sea complete the serene and luxurious setting. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more architectural tours. See you in the next one.